Namaskar, how are you all doing? Hi, this is Anita Ajaypai. I'm a tarot card reader, a holistic healer, and I love tarot readings. Okay, all right. So, this reading is specifically for the month of December, and this is a very general reading. Please keep in mind, and I'm extremely sorry for the noise what you hear. There's some construction going on, and भगवान जाने कब खत्म होगा, बट जो भी होगा काम तो चलता रहना चाहिए. So whoever is watching this particular channel, this particular video, this is only for you guys, so please make a note. This is a general reading. If you resonate with whatever cards are coming out, with whatever my explanations are going on, only then connect with it, only then consider it. If it is not resonating with you, अगर आपको ये थोड़ा सा भी नहीं जम रहा है तो आप प्लीज़ इसको कंसिडर मत कीजिएगा. जनरली जो भी लोग वीडियोस देखते हैं उन्होंने मुझे कहा है दैट माई रीडिंग्स आर ऐप. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू ईच एंड एवरीबडी हु पर्सनली टेक्स्ट मी और who emails me and who comments also. Sometimes I get comments, sometimes I don't. I mean, generally I don't. So whenever whoever is watching and whoever personally writes to me, thank you so much. And keep encouraging me by sharing the video, by liking the video, by subscribing to my channel. It'll be a great help to me. Okay, let's not waste the time and dwell in to read what the cards have to say. One card has fallen down already, which is 10 of Cups. Well, this card I can easily assure you, people who are watching this video, I must admit that आपका दिसंबर अच्छा जाने वाला है. एटलीस्ट फैमिली के साथ बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर, तो आप लोग को लंबी छुट्टी भी मिलती है थोड़े लोगों को. लाइक द किड्स हैव देयर हॉलीडेज, so maybe you would just spend some time, some quality time with each other, with the family members. You might go out on a vacation, or you might just spend some quality time at home, but overall with the family you will definitely have a great time. That's what this card indicates. Well, let's go ahead. As I told you, it's a general reading. I am not choosing the month of the birth or the date of the birth, or nothing to do with your sun sign or your zodiac. It's very general. So whoever is dropping in on this video, और जिसके भी सामने ये वीडियो पॉपअप होता है, कंसिडर इट कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज मिलने वाला है इस वीडियो से, इसीलिए आपके सामने वो पॉपअप हो रहा है. सो इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स, यू नो. कोई परेशानी रहती है, कुछ आप सोचते रहते हो कि ये कैसे चलेगा, क्या होगा, what has to be done, how it has to go, and will I get a message? And when you're ready to receive the message, the universe just drops it at the right moment, and anybody can bring in for you. Either it could be just the numbers what you see, or कोई गाना आप सुनोगे, और कोई lyrics आपको पकड़ में मिलेगा, या फिर you see the reels and then you just say, okay, yeah, this is really good. So there'll be some message from somebody which just comes in only when you are ready to listen, only when you're willing to receive the message from the universe. Okay, now what's the first area of the life I would think about is health. Health is popping up. So let's see, how is your health going to be in general? Okay, so this is the card which is popped up, which is 5 of Pentacles. इसका मतलब यही है कि आपको आपके हेल्थ को लेके थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, वेरी माइंडफुल ऑफ हाउ मच you're eating, what you're eating, what's your diet like, how much water you're drinking, and what is that which is bothering you so much. बहुत important है. फिजिकल हेल्थ तो है ही, इमोशनल हेल्थ भी है, मेंटल हेल्थ भी है, जो आपको ध्यान में देना है. मे बी यू विल हैव सम फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच योर हेल्थ इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, बिकॉज यूर इमोशनली लो एज यूर फाइनेंशियली लो एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट मैं एक ही बात आपको कहना चाहूंगी, दैट यू नो, पैसा आता जाता है, पैसा आएगा, डेफिनेटली है आपके पास. यूनिवर्स इज रेडी टू गिव एंड यू हैव टू बी विलिंग टू रिसीव इट विदाउट एनी जजमेंट. अभी लोग कहते हैं कि अरे मैं तो बैठा ही हूँ रिसीव करने के लिए, कोई दे नहीं रहा है. लेकिन जब कोई दे रहा है, क्या आप खुशी से रिसीव करते हो? थिंक अबाउट इट. यू माइट हैव 100 जजमेंट्स, ये ऐसा है, इससे क्यों लूं, इससे नहीं लेना है. यू नो, दीज काइंड ऑफ जजमेंट्स विल डेफिनेटली स्टॉप योर रिसीविंग. So if you are worried because of your finances and your health is going bad because of that, you need to work on it. It's, you know, use some affirmations. Maybe I'll drop in some affirmations, you know, or go doing some meditation, or do some therapy, or maybe some kind of remedial things which can help you come out of it, but you have to take care of your health, because this card is definitely talking about your root chakra. So the if I have to be specific, then the organs connected with the root chakra, you have to be very careful. That is your private parts, and it could be your the kidneys and stuff. So you've got to take care of your health, maintain your blood pressure, take care of your diabetic if you are diabetes. Take care of your diabetes if you are a diabetic. So you got to take care of yourself, and then eat organic food, drink lots of water, work, do exercises, dance, yoga, gym, whatever suits to your body, whatever you're comfortable with. Please आप उसको follow कीजिएगा. If not, you will have difficulty with your health. So the moment you start having a disciplined lifestyle, things will get better with your health. 10 of Pentacles in the reading for the एक support card. तो support card के हिसाब से मैं इतना ही बोलूंगी कि आपको अगर अपना ध्यान नहीं रखना आता है तो कोई और नहीं करेगा. You got to do what you have to do. So if you are not serious about your health, nobody will be. Okay, मतलब you go and spend time and money on the dietitians, on the gym, and on the yoga instructors and everybody, but if you are not willing to do it, मतलब क्या है? पैसा खर्चा करके क्या फायदा है? राइट, यू कैन ब्लेम द अदर पर्सन. आप डाइटिशियन के पास जाओगे, एक हफ्ता डाइट करोगे, फिर बोलेगे नहीं यार चीट डे, आज जलेबी खा लेता हूँ, आज ये खा लेता हूँ, गया, मतलब इट्स गॉन. सो जिम में जाओगे, एक हफ्ता 3 दिन करोगे, यार पैर दुख रहा है, मैं कल जाती हूँ, आज नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा ये हो गया, मेरा वो हो गया. डोंट डू दैट, डोंट डू दैट. फर्स्ट टेक इट वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. डोंट प्लान फॉर टू मच. लॉन्ग टर्म अगर आप प्लान करते बैठोगे तो वो फायदा नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू टेक विथ स्मॉल स्टेप्स. मैं आज के लिए क्या करूं, इन आवर रेखी लैंग्वेज वी से जस्ट फॉर टुडे. So do that. Just for today, I will eat healthy. Just for today, I will walk 10,000 steps or 5,000 steps. Just for today, I will do a bit of yoga. Just for today, I will practice meditation. Just for today, I'll drink 4 liters of water or 3.5 liters of water, whatever suits you, just for today. Do it like just for today and things will get better for you. I hope this works. Okay. The next area would be wealth. Your finances. Whoa, okay, Page of Cups is the reading. Now, Page of Cups, let me see the support card also for this. Queen of Cups. Wow, okay. So, with respect to your wealth, I would say that you got to be mindful. Be analytical while spending. Don't be emotional. Emotionally, you will start spending too much money. अरे यार दिसंबर है, अभी मस्ती नहीं करेंगे तो पूरा साल हमने क्या किया? Next year से we'll follow this, that, blah, 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 blah. Don't do that. Again, here you can do the same thing just for today. Just for today. Don't say just for today I will spend 1,000 rupees. Just for today I will spend 10,000 rupees. Or just for today I'll buy this. Don't do that. When it comes to the money, you need to ask yourself, will this create my life or decay my life? Should I have this? Should I not have this? Should I go for it? Should I not go for it? Don't invest foolishly. Be very mindful of your investments. If you are planning to invest your money in shares or stocks or SIPs and things like that, be very, very, very mindful of it. And Queen of Cups is a support card which indicates you got to be secretive with respect to your finances. Do not disclose your financial analytics or financial dreams or savings with anybody just randomly. Be mindful on who you are sharing your details with. ये बार बार आता है, the more private your life is, the better your living is, right? So don't have to disclose your secrets, or don't have to disclose your investments or your planning with everybody and anybody you meet. Maybe you are very good, you have financial literacy and you're extremely good with your finances and stuff like that, but it doesn't mean you can help another person. But do not tell what you are doing, or do not make that other person feel that you are doing this and that's why you are growing well in your finances. So you have to be secretive in your finances. If you've bought a piece of jewelry, or if you bought a bar, a gold bar or a silver bar, keep it to yourself. You don't have to keep talking about it to the whole world, right? हम जो करते हैं वो हमारे लिए करते हैं, हमारी खुशी के लिए करते हैं. शो ऑफ ही करना है तो क्यों करना है? That's what is my policy, at least. तो आप देख लो, you have to be secretive with respect to your finances and be mindful of your investments. Do not lend money if you have no guarantee of receiving, or if you have no idea about this person, where is this person coming from. So be very, very mindful of lending money also. I would say ki mat hi karo. It's even better. Okay. Now the next area of life is relationships. रिलेशनशिप कार्ड के लिए स्ट्रेंथ आया है, विच इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड. आई वुड से कि आपका रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रॉन्गर होगा. मे बी if you are somebody who is already married, your relationship with your wife will be excellent. Your spouse, okay, not just wife, sorry, your spouse or your husband or a wife, it will be excellent. If it is with parents, you will realize that how they have been supporting you and how much they mean, and even they will realize how as a kid you've been, or as a kid, or should I say as a child, as a son or a daughter, you've been taking care of your parents and things like that. So obviously, and your friendships are going to get stronger. You're going to have a great time with respect to your relationship. But there could be some kind of arguments. The support card says there could be some kind of disagreements. Now there is a huge difference between fights and arguments and disagreements. Now when you argue, sometimes it can turn out to be a big fight. So you need to know that the other person is having an opinion, is having a point of view. You need to value that point of view, just like the way you got to value your point of view. Just because you want to prove your point, do not belittle the other person. Do not let down the other person just to prove your point. If the person is making no sense, even in that aspect, stop arguing. Stop getting into a kind of verbal fight or a verbal thing where you would just spoil the relationship. If you have to maintain your relationship, sometimes you need to learn to let go. Okay, your ego has to be down. Where ego exists, the relationship will never be good. That is my experience. If you have to have a good relationship, either with your friend, your sibling, your parent, your spouse, or your friend, or your neighbor, you got to keep your ego down. You got to let go of certain things, certain times. Now you can't be right all the time. I mean, that's what I feel. You can't be right all the time. You have to, if you are right all the time, if you think you are right all the time, you will stop learning. And सीखने का कोई उम्र नहीं होता है यार. कोई भी उम्र में आप कुछ भी सीख सकते हो और किसी से भी सीख सकते हो. Because in the metaphysics, what we believe, I mean, that's what even the Ayurvedic Vedas also say, that अगर आपको सीखने की मंशा है तो आप छोटे बच्चे से भी सीख सकते हो. I mean, वो physically वो छोटा बच्चा है, but you never know, the soul would be more older. I mean, the soul would be older than yours, right? So you can't judge a person by their age. There are so many people who are young, but they teach you so many good things. So if you are willing to learn, then your ego should be down. You should let go of things. So relationship में यही है एक caution, word of caution. The moment you feel there is the disagreement is converting into an argument, shant. Okay, thank you. Interesting point of view, and then move out. You don't have to prove your point just to satisfy your ego. ठीक है ना, सामने वाले को okay बोल दो ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? At least you will escape, and then later on that person will realize and come and say, oh, you know what you said was right. I am completely misunderstood. So ऐसा भी होता है. So just remember that. So relationship is good. Just word of caution. Learn to let go and do not let your ego come in. Now we have this follows for love as well, but love ka reading agar karna hai to I will do it individually. Right now it's just a general reading, so this is what it is. Health is done, wealth is done, the relationship is done. Let's go into the general read. In general, how is it going to be? Okay, in general, one thing is for sure, the cards are not that great, but still I can come out with some explanation on this. In general, probably you will trust the wrong people, could be, or you would just think so much that you will get into a victimhood. you will have nightmares, you will be wondering where did I go wrong. You become an overthinker. So here you need to learn that overthinking will only lead into कहते हैं ना, too much analysis leads to paralysis. So overthinking will only lead you to mind blockage. So do not let your mind block, and work on your process. Please practice meditation. If you cannot practice meditation with your eyes closed, then practice Trataka meditation, which is keeping your eyes open and staring at one point, which will bring in concentration, and then you will focus on your breathing. That will help you project on positive thinking, and then you can also use some affirmations which will really help you at a larger pace. Simple affirmation is, you can just say that I am safe, or you can say that I am happy. It's as simple as that. I mean, इससे और simple affirmation हो ही नहीं सकता. Please follow some affirmations. Please follow some therapies. When I say therapy, I'm not literally forcing you to go and see a therapist where you get a healing done, or you seek a psychologist or psychiatrist help. No, I'm not referring to that. Therapy for me, it could be as simple as bachelor therapies, where you just take the bachelor liquids, or you just go in for physical massage, where you just let go of all the pain in the body and then ease you out. It's relaxing. For some people, massages are regenerating and relaxing. Steam and sauna also helps. So there are many ways you can do, or for some people, just smelling a nice aroma is also good. Light a nice candle, aromatic candle, or an agarbatti, or maybe some kapoor in the house, camphor in the house. वो सब आपको अच्छा feel करेगा. And for some people, just talking to people or just going and taking a shower also is therapeutic. So do something like this. So एक वर्ड का अलग अलग मीनिंग्स होते हैं. आपको जो जैसा चाहिए, जो जैसा आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप प्लीज वो कीजिए. बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में ही जो कार्ड आया था, दैट वाज 10 ऑफ कप्स. 10 ऑफ कप्स जब आता है, मतलब आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ अच्छे रहते हो. तो जब ये हो गया है, तो व्हाट मोर यू हैव to worry, what more you have to lose, right? You just end up losing it by overthinking. So up, please overthink mat kijiye. To support these cards, or to support this reading, I have picked up a deck called Divine Abundance. So let's see what messages this particular deck has to give. This is an oracle deck. तो देखते हैं क्या बोलता है ये कार्ड्स हमारे लिए. Okay. Signs. Instincts are the messages from the inner divine. This is a card which is popped up. So it very clearly says that please keep your sense organs aware, and watch out for the signs. Watch out for what repeated numbers you're saying, what repeated songs or music, or the words you're seeing or listening, and who is continuously talking to you, and all those things are there. कौन आपके दिमाग में ज़्यादा खेल रहा है? Who is that who you remember and that the person calls and stuff? Trust your intuition and trust your instincts, because instincts are something which your divine is talking to you, which your higher self is talking to you. जब आपका intuition आप improve कर लेते हो, you don't need anybody. Trust me, you don't need anybody. And each one of us, every being, every creature God has created has their own intuition. It's just that few people ignore it and few people master it. तो आप देखो आपको क्या करना है, आपको इग्नोर करना है या फिर उसको सुन के आप अपने आप को मास्टर करना है. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट एंड देन look for the signs, look for the instincts, what your divine energy is giving. It can come when you're praying, it can come when you're sitting silent, it can come when you're walking alone, it can come when you are just doing some mindful activity, maybe writing or drawing or painting, some kind of art, or when you're dancing, when you're doing yoga, it can come anytime. That's why you need to be aware. And that's it. I think this is good. And any more, you can always drop the messages, or drop the comments in the comment section. Let me know how the reading, how did you like the reading, how is it going, and what's it. And if you like it, please share, subscribe to my channel. It'll be a great help. And I'll be soon dropping the videos for the 2025 year, and let's see how that's going to come up. Thank you.